I've been doing a lot of painting lately, and here's a little trick that will help you when you're painting and when you're cleaning the brush, help it dry out. Let's take a close-up look at it. All I've done is taken one of the shortest sheetrock screws you can buy and driven it into the side of the brush, and that's it. I learned this trick from a pro. It really works well, and it's a lot better than, for example, leaving your brush in the bucket where it will get all gloppy and sink into the paint. You can leave it up here. Excess paint will run out of the brush. It keeps the brush neater when you're using it, and when you're cleaning up, it allows water and thinner to run out of the brush much faster and allows it to dry much faster. Okay, well that was it for today. Hope you found it useful and interesting in your home DIY projects.